Let me show you how to connect Microsoft Clarity to Claude using the InsightfulPipe MCP and pull a full user behavior audit. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection, then choose Microsoft Clarity from the available connectors. Name the Microsoft connection. Microsoft Clarity uses an API token. Open Clarity, go to Settings, Data Export, and click Generate New API Token. Give the token a name, click Add, and Clarity will generate the API token. Copy it to your clipboard. Back in InsightfulPipe, paste the API token into the setup card and click Connect to Clarity. The connection succeeds. Now copy the InsightfulPipe MCP Server URL from the connection guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors. Click Customize, go to Connectors, and add a custom connector. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP Server URL, name it, and click Add. Click Connect on the new InsightfulPipe MCP connector to authorize it. Now, write a prompt asking Claude to analyze your Clarity data, user behavior, session recordings, heat maps, rage clicks, dead clicks, scroll depth, device performance, and key pages with clear recommendations. Claude pulls everything from Clarity through InsightfulPipe and builds the report. The Microsoft Clarity report covers the last 30 days with 15,180 sessions, 13,020 unique users, an average session of 4 minutes 20 seconds, and an 82% bounce rate. On the win side, marketing pages like Marketing Claude Skills and MCP servers pull strong engagement. The pricing page holds visitors for over 2 minutes, sign-up completion looks solid, and US and India traffic bounces well below the site average at 57% and 48%. Mobile is broken. Only 7.5% of traffic, with sessions ending 3 times faster than desktop. And on key entry pages, AppMe connectors sees a 66% quickback rate. Short term, audit the rage click hotspots and run a mobile audit. Medium term, set up funnel tracking from homepage to pricing to sign up. That's Microsoft Clarity connected to Claude using InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.